The unsettling truth: survival after beheading. In the annals of human history, beheading has been a grim form of capital punishment. Its horrifying nature often leads us to one unnerving question: how long does a person survive after being beheaded? The act of beheading, in essence, involves severing the brain from the rest of the body. Without the body, the brain loses its supply of oxygenated blood and glucose, which are essential for its functioning. Scientifically speaking, the core cerebral functions cease almost immediately. This is due to the rapid drop in blood pressure, which stops the brain from receiving the necessary oxygen and nutrients to function. There have been anecdotal accounts throughout history suggesting some level of consciousness shortly after beheading. These stories involve blinking eyes and moving lips, painting a chilling picture of possible continued awareness. However, it's crucial to note that these observed movements could be attributed to involuntary muscle contractions. These are not necessarily indications of consciousness or active thought processes. In 1905, a French doctor named Bourdieu conducted an unsettling experiment on a freshly beheaded prisoner. He claimed the prisoner's eyes focused on him and showed signs of consciousness for up to 30 seconds. Despite these claims, modern neuroscientists strongly dispute the idea of prolonged consciousness after beheading. They assert that any observed movement is likely due to reflexive action, not conscious thought. The consensus among scientists today is that consciousness is lost within seconds of beheading. This is because the brain is incredibly sensitive to oxygen deprivation, often leading to immediate unconsciousness. The question of survival after beheading undoubtedly stirs curiosity and horror. Yet, it's important to remember that these are historical acts of punishment, not subjects for sensationalism. Ultimately, the disturbing reality is that beheading results in an almost immediate cessation of life. This, in itself, is a testament to the value of human dignity and the importance of preserving life. In conclusion, while beheading is a morbid and unsettling topic, understanding the science behind it can help dispel myths and shed light on the preciousness of life.